How to find bio in YouTube Shorts. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you find bio in YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open YouTube application on your device. Alright, so once you open the YouTube application, from there you'll have to choose the specific YouTube short whom you want to find bios. So in my case, I have chosen this. So once you have chosen the YouTube shorts on your application, you will be able to find this interface on your device. So from here, you'll have to tap on three lines just at the top right corner. Okay, so from here, you'll have to go the options description. So it will appear at the first one. So now from here, simply tap on this option. Alright, so now from this description section, you'll be able to find the bio of that YouTube Shorts. So from here, you can easily find the bio in YouTube Shorts. So this is the easiest and simplest method to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.